Blocking someone on Square can help you manage your interactions and maintain a positive experience. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts or to the contacts section of the app. This is where you can view all your connections and transactions. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your contacts or use the search function to locate the person you want to block. Tap on their name to open their profile. Step 4. Access block option. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the option to block or remove them. This may be represented as a button or link within the profile settings. Step 5. Confirm the block. After selecting the block option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to block the user to finalize the action. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Square and enhance your user experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult Square's help resources.